Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and Thanksgiving has come and gone, and I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving. Hoping that your turkeys and hams and everything came out great. There's tons of videos out there to show you how to do it. I got my Pit Boss 1100 starting up. It's getting a little smoky. It's just about ready to clear, so of course it all blows right towards you, right? So that's okay. That's my cologne. Anyway, so what I like to do after Thanksgiving, sometimes before, depending when the sales are, is I'll pick up an extra turkey or two, usually just the 12 or 13 pound ones, and I will take them apart, I guess you could say. I'm not a butcher, I'm not a professional butcher, but I have watched YouTube videos on how to do that. So I'll take the turkeys, I'll separate the breast, I'll separate the thigh, I'll separate the leg, and I'll separate the wings. The thighs and the breasts, I'll have them deboned. So, and then I'll vacuum seal them, freeze them, have them, and enjoy them whenever we want throughout the year. I'm not going to show you how to do all of that. Just take your time. If you do it, it'll turn out. It comes out great. So tonight, what I'm going to make out of the turkeys that I've dismantled, they also fit really well in your freezer. Tonight we're going to do turkey wing. Now these wings, of course, you know, you can separate the wings and have the drummy and have the wing, cut off the little flap at the end, and just like a chicken wing, except 10 times larger, right? Turkey wings are great, and I'm not separating them tonight. Tonight, what I'm going to do is run them through a skewer, a metal skewer, and we're going to cook them like this, in length. How do you do that? Well, I'm going to show you. You just take your skewer, and then we're going to take the turkey leg, stick it in here through the drummy. Well, you want to stretch it out the best you can. Stick it in here through the drummy and work it all the way down and out the other end, just like this. Okay, so just work it through there. This does stretch, okay? Now, what I'm going to use on this tonight is, I'm going to use Uncle Steve's shake again. I have used this on some chicken, and it was really good, so I thought this is going to be really good on these turkey legs, or turkey wings. We're going to use Competition Bird Shake by Uncle Steve. My friend Craig at Behind the Garage Barbecue sent me this as well with that thick meat. Like I said, I used this on chicken the other night. It was really good. A little bit of spice on the end, not hot, but it was flavorful. So I'm going to go ahead and use it on our turkey. So let's get this shake on here. Oh, before I get too far, I'm using the Bear Mountain Gourmet Blend, sweet smoky flavor for tonight's cook. I'm going to heat up my Pit Boss to 300 degrees, and all I'm going to do is spray these with a little olive oil. Okay, and then we're going to get some of this Competition Bird Shake on there. We're going to let them sit while the Pit Boss warms up with this rub on them, and then we're going to get them in. Okay, my Pit Boss is up to 300 degrees. My turkey wings have been resting about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes here. So let's get them on the grill. Okay, I am going to use my shelf, my rack tonight, so we'll just set them on there. Those are some big wings. Okay, so we've got our turkey wings in there. I'm going to check them probably every 15 to 20 minutes. I'll shift them around, and what we want to do is get the internal temp of about 165. Once we're there, I'm going to crank the pit up to 350 and bring the internal temp up to about 180. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, 15 minutes in. Nothing to worry about. It's a little warm. Looks like we're doing good. I think I will shuffle them around. Get this side over here, vice versa, and we'll check back. We've been going 35 minutes. They're looking pretty good. I just temped them. They are at 170, 171. So I'm going to turn this up to 350 and let them go for, you know, probably about 15 minutes. Right, 350 for about 20 minutes. I came out, flipped them, moved them. Look at that. Skins feels pretty tight. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna get these off of here. Take another look. Okay, our turkey legs are done. Look at that. Beautiful looking. I'm going to get them inside. I'm going to let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll be back out for a taste test. These have been on a total time of 1 hour. The last 20 minutes I turned it up to 350. I did 10 minutes. I came out, checked them, rotated them, flipped them, let them go another 10 minutes, and now they're done. So we'll be back out for the taste test. Okay, we've let this turkey wing rest for about 10 minutes. I pulled the skewer out of it, and this one, when I pulled it, the skin stuck in one spot. So I'm taste testing this one that was a little bit damaged, but I mean, come on, look at that thing. Just a great looking wing, or what? Now, of course, this is the drummy part, like if you had a chicken, and then this is the flat. So I think I'm going to take a bite of the drummy part. And this has the Uncle Steve's Competition Bird Shake on there. Wow. That is delicious. Oh, I guess I'm going to take a piece of this wing right here. Looks like it's a little loose. Boy, I gotta tell you, Uncle Steve, that bird powder is good. It is spicy. It almost reminds me of my spicy SPG. It's got some other flavors in it, but spicy wise, about the same. Man, that is really good. I did not brine these wings. You know, wings is a dark meat. I mean, it's moist, very flavorful, very delicious. I'm gonna go inside and eat this because I'm hungry and it tastes amazing. So thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. You know the old drill. Come back, we'll have another video for you. Have a great day.